In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create posters quickly. And this is only possible because of the advancement in technology. You get a lot of free templates online, and we'll be using the same tool that we used in the first video, that is Canva. So Canva is an excellent tool. Just log into your Canva account. On the user interface, you get this create a design, social media presentation, posters, Facebook cover, flyer, Facebook post, Instagram post, and there are so many plenty of options when you press browse all. Documents, ad, education, pamphlets. So let us create a social media post. The templates are just loading up. So we got this. Just let us edit it. Just put some quote or anything. Just decrease the font size. You can always change the font style and all these things here. This is it, and you're ready to go. Just click on download and download this file, and that would be all great. You're all set. So this is your file. So this is a simple way to create very fast and very effective posters. In this today modern technological times, you don't really need to be a very advanced Photoshop expert. You can all do it by frugal method online that I just showed you. I hope you really take advantage of it and never feel that you don't know something. Just go to Google, and Google is always your help.